Hi students. Lymphocytes need to be activated in order to carry out their function, which in turn is the job of the antigen. Their activation by the antigen is followed by their proliferation and differentiation into effector T cells and memory T cells. A couple of earlier videos of this T cell series describing antigen independent T cell maturation and shaping up the net T cell repertoire by apoptosis have been pinned in the description for your ready reference. Once the relevant T cell in the peripheral lymphoid organs is touched by the processed antigen presented on the MHC molecule, a ternary complex is formed comprising these three, that is, the T cell, the MHC and the antigen. Moreover, the CD4 or CD8 of the helper T cell or cytotoxic T cell respectively also reach out to the MHC of the neighboring partner cell and attach to the same laterally. This whole thing in 100% fulfilled form is termed signal 1. And the signal 2 in CD4 plus T cells, that is TH cells, is provided by accessory and co-stimulatory molecules on the surface of T and B cells as well as APCs. If a B7 family receptor on APCs including B cells engages itself with CD28 on the T helper cell, this signifies successful signal 2. Likewise, CD8 plus T cells or T cytotoxic cells also require activation so as to transform into CTL cells, which are activated TC cells, which in turn execute their aggressive killing mechanisms involving granzyme and perforins. For this, signal 1 is as usual, while signal 2 is believed to be supplied by the APCs that have been conditioned by activated TH cells. By saying activation of T cells, we mean that biochemical signals from its cell surface to its nucleus are sent via signal transduction, carried out by ITAMs, the motifs of supporting molecule CD3. These manifests in upregulation of the expression of the cytokine IL-2 and its high affinity IL-2 receptor on the T cell, sending the T cell into the cell cycle and several rounds of proliferation. Under the influence of proper cytokines, the newly formed T cells get differentiated into one of the two distinct types: active, large and short-lived effector cells, which do the work presently, and dormant, small and long-lived memory cells, which are meant for future. The latter are capable of producing more and more effector cells in future as and when needed. So guys, this was the shortest and simplest description of activation and differentiation of T cells, which happens in the peripheral lymphoid organs and tissues. Hope you have understood the same. Feel free to ask questions in the comment box, please, which we shall either answer there only or shall come up with videos on the same. We, Brahmjeet, Nitin and Archana are immensely grateful to you all for watching and appreciating our videos. We shall be back very soon with cytotoxic T cells and helper cells and their subtypes in our next video. Keep learning, take care and bye.